After class, when I would check in, people would be like, it's amazing, I feel it just as much doing the work. So it didn't matter that we weren't in the same room, which really surprised me. And as a coach, I got so much positive feedback from people saying that their practice, it was really helpful for the practice, really helpful for their mental health to have some Qigong time in their week. So it just felt really encouraging over time. I've actually found it really helpful to also have the recorded classes. There's a lot of freedom to the virtual format because I can start the class 30 minutes later. I'll just do last week's class, start it 30 minutes later. So that really helped me get back on track with my workouts and feel like they were helping my mental health and my adapting to this weird new world. The mindset training has been absolutely the most valuable thing to me. So many of the classes that Summer teaches, she reminds us, hey, we're working on our meditation practice. Hey, let's try this other way of working on our meditation practice. So continuing to have more ideas and more inspiration for keeping my meditation practice eclectic and interesting and changing. We're all trying. We're all on that path of trying to add it in. The mindset work is absolutely at the foundation of being a strong and healthy person. With the virtual classes, I've definitely actually had enhancement of my flow state. I think that a lot of it has to do with less distractions, and I'm really in my body. Being in a community of people that we're all just authentically trying to live our lives in the best way, even when it's virtual, it just has helped me feel like, okay, these are my peeps. We're all moving forward on taking care of ourselves together. That has felt really powerful. And I feel like I kind of have friends that I get to see, even though my actual bubble is very small. So that's been nice too. Honestly, I'm super grateful for Summer's leadership and her continued way of just showing up, being creative, being encouraging and enthusiastic. I think that's my deepest gratitude. Like, I feel a huge gratitude for Summer like every day. So we're just continuing to show up, continuing to motivate us all to find our role within the community, find our role in our own lives, to take charge and to stay connected to our own creativity and our own drive. That gratitude is so real and so everyday for Summer. So of course, I'm so grateful for the people that also practice Qigong with me. And when there's other people that are practicing with me and up for exploring life in that way, I'm just like, the gratitude, the love in that environment is so huge. So every single time I'm just like, thank you. It's so real. I'm so glad that we're doing this together. Because I love my personal practice, but the group practice is a whole different thing, and it's a lovely shift from my personal practice, and I'm so grateful to everybody that joins me with it.